Hey YouTube, welcome. Honey Piranha here towards Piranha Web Tutorials. In this video, let's begin learning modern JavaScript. Here I have a folder modern JavaScript and it has two files, index.html and script.js. They are completely empty. And this folder I have at my desktop as named modern JavaScript, so you can go ahead and create a folder and these two files. And what I have done, I have opened this in my Google Chrome and also as tab tool as well. So let's begin and create a simple HTML document and right here and in body section source script.js. Save that and it has in same directory. Just check it out. Okay, so let's start writing some JavaScript here. So let's begin by creating a variable the old school ways. Okay, so in JavaScript you would create a variable using var keywords. So var and give it a name. So let's say a name equals to John and give it a alert and save it and check it out in your browser and refresh that. Then it says John. Okay, so that's how you can create the variable in JavaScript. But how about the value that it holds? Its value can be changed over time. For example, name equals to Smith and save that and refresh your browser, then you can see Smith. So that's how you can create variable in JavaScript. Now in JavaScript, variable can hold many different kind of data that can hold strings, they can hold integer types, they can hold even the functions as their values, they can hold objects, arrays, all sort of values they can hold. With ES6 there are two more ways in ES6. So why did we need another method to create a variable when we had this one? So let me show you. If I want to create a variable with the name will not change over time, in this case how would you create a variable? Before we had only this option, but now we have another option called const. So let's you create a variable that value cannot change. Okay, So let's begin. In fact, we modify this one. Const name equals to John, and save this, and this should not work. So let's see what sort of array we get in the browser. Open browser and refresh that. So we have uncaused type error assignment to constant variable. Okay, so you see we cannot assign the different values to constant. Okay, so that's the whole point. In a situation like that, where you know a certain variables whose value will not change over time, so in such situation you can use const to create variables. Okay, if I delete this one and save that and go to the browser and refresh that, now it's work. Okay, so this is one way of creating variable using const in ES6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.